Hey, welcome back to my channel. Injector cup nozzle tube remover and installer. Great compatibility? Works on Detroit diesel Mercedes-Benz trucks DD13, DD15, and DD16. Superior quality? Premium grade heavy-duty hard steel with black oxide finished, durability, strong and anti-corrosion. High precision and hardness to provide a much longer service life. Upgrade design? This tool is used to remove and replace the injector cup's tube nozzle and works in an easier way to save your time and money. Special features? Directly replaces OEM part W4705890000700, MH064002, and J47388A. 100% satisfaction guarantee? If you're not 100% satisfied with our tools, simply return it for a full refund in 30 days. Support 12 months? Warranty. Professional and sincere service allows you to take no risks to purchase in Desiel Tolson line. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.